Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Taiji Kitchen with Avril for the Roast Show. Come December, it's party time, it's vacation time, especially it's Christmas time. I have today few Christmas recipes for you. Nowadays, we get a lot of Christmas sweets at the stores, but I feel there is no substitute for homemade Christmas sweets. This is a time when we can get together as a family, sit around the dining table or spread out in the hall and prepare this Christmas sweets. Today I have the recipe for marbles. Marbles, in Konkani we say gulyo. The ingredients required for the marbles are 1/4 cup of brown rice, 1/4 cup of parboiled rice, 1/4 cup of powdered jaggery, 1 cup thick coconut milk, nutmeg, pinch of salt and 3 to 4 cardamoms and oil for deep frying. To start with, we need to take the brown rice and the parboiled rice. We need to wash this and rinse till the water runs clear a couple of times and soak in water for almost 3 to 4 hours for easy grinding. Now I have already here the pre-soaked rice with me, which will go to the blender along with coconut milk, jaggery and cardamom. So we take the rice, transfer it to the blender, water because we are using coconut milk. You can strain off the water and just take the rice. It is well soaked. Here goes the powdered jaggery. Almost this a cup of coconut milk and some cardamoms to flavor. Yes, it's almost a fine, nice paste. Now, if it's too thin, you can add some rice flour into it because we need a little stiff dough to roll the marbles. Now, this is still in the watery form, so we transfer this to a pan or a otherwise it will get it will get burnt at the bottom. So we need to take care that it doesn't get burnt and keep on stirring. Season it with a pinch of salt, a pinch or two. So it's getting thicker now. Yeah, now it's come to a very thick consistency. So we close the fire and now So I transfer this to the plate. So it's hot. Let it cool for some time so that we can roll out the marbles. I just grease my palms. So we need to knead this and get it into one round ball. It's nice, soft. It also has the flavor of cardamom. So we are now we can start the process of making marbles. So take a small, say marble size of dough and keep here in your palm and just give a gentle roll. Roll them tight, otherwise while frying they open up, they break. So roll them firm. We have finished rolling out the marbles. The next procedure is to heat oil and drop these into the hot oil and fry them until golden brown. So I have a large pan here. Put a generous amount of oil because it's deep frying. So initially you can put it on high flame till the oil becomes hot. Later you need to simmer. I feel it's hot enough. We'll just have a test. Yes. You can see that it is, bubbles are out. To make sure that the oil is hot enough. So we drop these into this hot oil. Just give a gentle shake and leave it and simmer the flame. It will take at least on slow flame at least 10 to 15 minutes. They have turned nice brown in color. So, and the size is also become a little, they are smaller in size as well. So, almost done. I just take it out and put in this strainer to take off the excess oil. Put off the fire and the marbles, the gulios are ready. They are hot now. They continue to cook for some time since they are hot. So we leave them to cool and then you can store them in a airtight container. The gulios are ready here, the marbles. They are nice brown in color. They look crunchy. We need to get this color. If not, they remain soft from inside. So let me try one eating and see if it's fried enough. Yes, it's perfect. So we take a short break now. I'll be back soon.